Now it's time to have fun and get our hands dirty with the new Ontraport pages. Stay tuned as we create our very first Ontraport page. Hey, Happy Peeps! This is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and helpful homegirl from over at akilapitts.com. And I help visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that's you, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Now, we have learned about the clear distinction between Ontra pages and Ontraport pages. So if you have an Ontraport account, I'm pretty sure you're ready to get your hands dirty and get started with playing around with the new version 3 Ontraport Pages editor. So let's go ahead and head on over to Ontraport so that I can show you how to create a new Ontraport page. Okay, so here we are inside of your Ontraport account. And as you know, when you first log in, you typically land on the Contacts tab. Now it's easy to navigate to Ontraport Pages because it is a part of the menu at the top of your screen. So if you click on Pages, you will land in the Page section and scroll down to this big blue button right here that says New Landing Page and click on that. Once you are taken inside of the Landing Pages section, as you can see, it has pretty much the same layout that you would see if you were creating a campaign or something like that, in that you have the option of either starting your page from scratch or selecting from any of these pre-designed templates that you see listed here. Now, typically these templates are a great asset, especially for those who aren't necessarily creative in that they don't like to build things from scratch. They prefer to have some sort of idea that they can work with and tweak to make their own. These are great options for you. But then if you are someone who definitely likes to build things from scratch because you know the vision that you want to create, you can have at it right here. But let's just say you want to go ahead and take a closer look at one of these templates to see whether or not they will work with your vision. All you do is if you hover over it, you don't necessarily have to commit to that template right at this particular moment. You can select the preview option and take a closer look at that template to really see whether or not it fits your vision and you can kind of work with it. Because remember, it's a highly customizable thing, which means that you can kind of turn certain things on and turn certain things off. It's just whether or not this template provides the framework for you to be able to create the design that you desire to have. And if it works for you, great. Just hit select in the upper right hand corner. If not, cancel out and continue looking through the templates if you so desire. However, again, if you are someone who just says, no, I'll just rather create this thing from scratch, well, let's just head on over here, select this button, and boom, you have a blank canvas where you can build till you can't build anymore. So you just start by adding your blocks and grow from there. And don't forget to name your page, save and publish, and you're all set and ready to go. So that's how you go about creating a new page inside of Ontraport Pages. And now we're back. So now you have learned to create a new Ontraport page either from a template or from scratch. And you know what I want to know from you? Which one are you going to use? In the comments below, tell me whether or not you prefer to use an Ontraport page template and build from there, or just start from scratch because you already know the vision that you have. I would love to know, so put that in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for now, Happy Peeps. Till our next Ontraport Page video. I'll see you then.